There he is. He always has to get involved, put his 2 pence in. He always tries to do it to benefit his own driving. He absolutely does not know what he's doing. Look, looking around, Gormouth.
This one go down here, I guess.
Or Wally. All right, nothing. Just saying how I'm just saying how well you're helping everybody out and that, like you normally do.
When I come to a club, you just stand around.
No, I'm supervising you because you're an idiot. Since we last come, they've got a brand new rostrum. That looks really nice, actually. It's a brand new rostrum. They've got a skid. They call it a skid area.
What's the skid area?
It's just
this bit down there.
Yeah, you do some skid marks.
That is for when you put so much additive into the foam, you need to get it off before you're racing.
Yeah.
And at some clubs, I know Leighton Buzzard used to have a dirty corner of the carpet, didn't they? The actual racetrack. So yeah, it's good that they've got a little bit off the track so it doesn't impact on your grip and the condition of your track. You want these things to last.
Yeah.
They're not cheap, these carpets, are
they? They are not cheap. Yeah. But where are we anyway? What are we doing?
We are at Wickham in a little village called Stokenchurch.
Yeah.
And they're renowned for their LMP and mini racing. You've got an LMP. I don't have a mini. But what I do have is an LMGT3. Now, the LMGT3 class has just been introduced. I first noticed it on the Wickham Facebook page. So I thought I'd come along, I'd pop along and see if there's anyone else doing it.
So you've done it a couple of times, but it's really, you're kind of shaking it down ready for the winter. We're going to go in really.
It's a bit of a test at the moment because I don't really know what to expect from it. And I'm just going by the rules that they've set on the website, and it's interesting. It is interesting. I've had some fantastic racing over at Milton Keynes, running up against Chris and Steve and some of the guys that I raced with when I was running the Atom 3 in the GT12 class. So it's similar sort of performance. I've made a couple of changes for tonight. I'm still running my first set of tyres. So far those tyres have done 10 runs. I want to get a practice, 3 qualifiers and a final today, so they're going to have another 5 runs in them. So at the moment I've made no changes since I put those tyres on.
I think that's the whole point of the class, isn't it? Because you don't want to be...
How many sets of tyres have you bought today for your LMP?
I have bought... Initially I used to run, I think it was 4 sets a night, but I've gone down to 2.
2, so you're going to alternate sets?
Yeah, I'm not that fussed. I mean, look,
you ain't going to win today.
No. Exactly. So,
but the track is almost nearing completion. So maybe we need to get back to the pits and put some sauce on our tyres.
Come on then.
So these are the first set of tyres I put on. I've got a little bit of chunking going on, but these have done 2 full race meets over at MK, and they've done 1 warm-up run and 2 8-minute qualifiers here, and I've got a brand new box of tyres here, so I'm just going to get this one out just to show you the difference and how much wear we've got. And if I can show you like that, you can see I've just measured it with the calipers as well, and they've worn down 0.5 mil. So tyre wear on this new LMGT3 is pretty good actually.
So it's nice to get the LMP out. This is of course the Schumacher Eclipse 4. It's been superseded a couple of times now, so if I lose, which I probably will, I'll just blame that. What are you doing?
Well, there's a man here. His name's Mark. Pro Racer Mark, I call him. And
Mark Stiles, then?
That's the one.
This ain't me.
No, because you are just your sort of Mark pro driver Mark in disguise, really. He's a true pro racer Mark. This is very loud, isn't it? Anyway, he gave me a little bit of advice on my LMGT3.
What did he say? What did he say?
He said the back of your shell's too low.
Oh.
So I raised it up.
You're going to win now then?
I reckon, I am confident I'm going to be the fastest LMGT3 car tonight. I've come to Wickham, it's where I learnt about the class, and I'm going to come and beat all the other LMGT cars this week.
Because there's no other ones, right?
That is true, no one's doing it.
Not yet.
Not yet.
You've got to spread the word though.
Yeah, well, we shall see, we shall see.
Right, so let's follow Carl round with a few laps of this LMGT3 car. Now, I did have a go at this, and I have to say, it was brilliant, really, really good. Coming straight from LMP into driving this car was considerably different. There's less grip, but, you know, when everybody's going to be using the same tyres, I think it's going to make for some really great racing. I'm going to get myself one at some point, just so Carl and I can have a good race. But looking good there, looking nice.
So I'm here with my LMGT12 Pro Racer Mark here. It's supposed to be organised on the scrounges. What you borrowed now?
Listen, right, it's pretty much, you've got to stop with that.
Well, do you know what? You're Pro Racer Mark, but you are the most amateur-looking Mark in your race.
I am, and I'm not going to disagree with that.
Because there's 3 Marks in
they're
your race.
They're pulling me along though, aren't they? They're pulling me along.
They're lapping you.
Oh,
I think it's the wrong word.
Yeah, okay, well.
Several times.
Yeah, but I'm changing the pit. I'm over geared, so I'm changing the pit. I'll be quick on it.
Okay, anyway, what are you scrounging?
Well, I use these Aeromax posh pinion gears, you see. And you have to get one of these. 50 thou. Was it 50 thou, you say? Yeah. 0.50. So I need to get one of them. I need to get one.
And we are off for the A main for the minis. So we've got Matthew out in front, Anthony in second, Sam in third. This is definitely the most competitive class here at the club. I'm going to pick up second and third because they seem to be having the better battle on the track. Although they're all starting to spread out a little bit. Top 3 are away. Now, I am obviously running my LMGT3 today, which is running the same electric of these cars. If I was running against the minis, I would have been, I think I would have qualified 5th. Just to put that into perspective, these guys are very seasoned though. They have been doing this for a while. Let's see who should we pick up now. Pick up the orange car, see how that one's going round. Let's pick this car up here, flying round. So they've just said there that they're running sort of 9.394 second laps. I think my fastest lap today is a 9.8, so I am slower than these minis. My consistency was going quite well though, I was quite happy with that. But if you're going to be a regular down at the Wickham Club, it is the mini class that you want to get involved with. These guys are absolutely flying. There's been some great racing, and actually there's a fight to get into the A final because the top half of the B final was also extremely competitive. So this is a fantastic competitive race class here at Wickham. In terms of LMP, you've got 4 LMP cars running today. We've got Mark and Mark from the club who run on the Nationals, and they are outstanding drivers. And then we have Popalong Mark, I think, sitting in third. He's about 4 laps off of their pace. And then I think Mike's a couple of laps down from that. And then there's me running my LMGT3 a few laps down. So they're putting us all in the final together. So So therefore I'm going to be spending a lot of time getting out of people's way because I am considerably slower than the LMP cars. But do you know what? It's going to make for some fun racing. Hopefully I can get in the way of Popalong Mark, and we'll have a little bit of a battle on the track. So there you have it, Wycombe Tuesday night racing. What a brilliant night we've had, so much track time, super fun, and I look forward to popping along again very soon.